three human energies is a personality model, and it assumed essentially that we have three main faculties. So the intellect for our ability to think, which we call reflection, our heart, our ability to feel, which we call perception, and then our will, our ability to do things, and we call that action. And the general idea is that we have all three, but we differ in our relative proportions of them. So, for instance, some people who are stronger in reflection are the kinds of people who obsess over meaning. They're the kind of people who love to ask questions, and they really love to understand the details and like make all the connections between different fields and like all like the like when people drop like facts like the fun facts and mind blowing kind of thing, like reflects people love like the connect, they need to understand things. The ones that bombard you with the why questions, like, so those are more reflection oriented. And then perception oriented people, their lives revolve around relationships. Everything is about relationships and connecting with other people and having a deep understanding of feeling of belonging, and they're super human oriented. And that's what they don't care about like understanding things so much, and they don't really care about projects and like needing to build things quickly. Like chill, just relax, have fun, be like, so that's more kind of perception type. And then action, they don't care about thinking about theories. They don't really care so much about like the connections and like talking about their feelings. They just like to get things done. Like they just like to work on projects and like build tangible things. They love achievement. And yes, that's kind of a brief idea of the three human energies and the dominance, like what it can be like to be dominant in the different ones. And then from those, six typologies emerge. So the typologies are kind of like archetypes of personality. So many of you might be familiar with the work of Carl Jung and the notion of an archetype. So the idea is that from each of these energies, depending on the order of them, will be a different kind of archetype. So for the reflection, you have the scientist and you have the philosopher. For perception, you have the helper and the artist. And then for action, you have the manager and the leader.